Okay, you guys, I had no idea I had made this many videos. I knew I made a lot because I have two different cameras. I have a Panasonic, it's about 5 years old, and then I have this off-brand from China called Demo. It's like a year, even a year old. And I shoot on both cameras. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I shot a gazillion videos, and I had no idea I shot so many. So this is actually two videos that you're watching right now. Let me see here. In this segment alone on August 8th, 9 minutes, 58 seconds, 22 minutes, 20 minutes, 22 minutes, 8 minutes, 19 minutes, 13 minutes. And there's an 11-minute video where I'm doing more pockets. All of the times I just read you just now were all for these belts. I was thinking about doing that style right there initially, but I defaulted back. I said, no, I'm going to go ahead and use the self fabric. Anyway, if you look at the middle of the belt there, you see those dots. In the previous video, I explained that that was a goof up on my end, and I couldn't leave it like that because it looks really unprofessional. So I had to figure out a way to fix that. And if you look there to the bottom right hand corner, you see those eyelets. I put those eyelets in. Yeah, I did that. Again, I'm getting back into my groove here, and I'm admitting, I slipped up. How I did it? I slipped up, point blank, end of story. So yeah, I'm gonna do at least 3 of these because, like I said, they're 20 minutes long, and I know you guys have things to do. So this segment right here is actually 30 minutes long, and I've crunched it down into 7 minutes and 59 seconds. So it's like 8 minutes long. But yeah, in videos to come, you will see me put those eyelets in. I kind of wish now I had used that red fabric. Anyways, I didn't, so. My fat belly. Yep. I'm sweating like a stuck pig. Jabba the Hutt. What I was thinking. Testing out appearance. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, repost. I would really appreciate it. Again, if you've seen some of my prior videos, I made 3 of these, of the dresses. So I had to make 3 belts, 3 top pockets, 6 bottom pockets, and put them all on the dresses, and they're all for sale. They're on my Shopify. My Shopify is on my front of my YouTube account. You can see it on my Pinterest account, my Blogger account, my LinkedIn account, my Instagram account. I don't know if it's on my TikTok account, to be honest. I have the white dresses coming soon. I really did these belts justice. If I must say, I did. I did these belts justice. One of the reasons I'm doing these is because maybe I don't know how to use the system, the YouTube system, as efficiently. That goes for Instagram and TikTok. Maybe I don't know how to use these because I'm old. Maybe I don't know. I don't know how to use them as efficiently as you younger crowds. But sometimes it takes hours for my stuff to load. Sometimes it goes up in an hour or two. Sometimes 20 minutes. Sometimes 10 minutes. But sometimes my stuff can take 4, 5, 6 hours. I mean, and so I notice on TikTok that if I have a video over an hour, even if I time lapse it, it still won't post. So I've literally had to break videos up just to get them on TikTok. This one, like I said, is a half an hour long, but I fast forwarded it, time lapsed it down into 8 minutes. So again, please, if you like this, give it a like, comment, share, repost. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Those are the eyelets.